In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Xbox Elite controller charging port. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about what options you have to repair a possibly damaged Xbox Elite controller charging port. If you notice that your Xbox Elite controller is not charging, this could be due to various reasons. I'm going to present some simple solutions and also some more extreme ones. Before you even begin all of this, I would highly recommend trying out to swap the cable that you are using. Oftentimes, the problem is not attributed to the port, but the cable that you are using. So by swapping it with a high quality cable, you can rule out this issue. So always try this first of all before moving on to more advanced solutions. If the cable was indeed a problem, then you don't have to worry. You just swap out the cable and you will be good to go. However, if you are absolutely sure that the problem is attributed to the port, then you will have to look into alternative solutions. First, if you notice that the port visually looks okay, and it is just cluttered up with hair, dust, debris, and other small things, then all that you have to do is gather something like a toothbrush or anything with soft bristles to clean it. So clean the port thoroughly. By cleaning it, you will help the pins make contact and make sure that the cable is properly charging the controller. Now, if you notice that there is a lot of damage, some of the pins are broken, or there's a lot of clutter inside, then most of the time you will have to actually replace the port. And this can be a very difficult process because it is going to require you to solder on a new port. This is going to be a standard USB-C port. You can find plenty available on places like AliExpress, eBay, and probably even Amazon. And what you would have to do is disassemble the controller, desolder the old one, and then solder the new one in place. Because of the nature of this video, I can't show you this process in full. And if you aren't comfortable or the cost is too high, then maybe it is just going to be better to get a new controller. You can consider taking it to a repair shop. You just have to purchase this tiny USB-C charging port and then replace it on the internals of the controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Elite controller charging port. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.